Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Muhammad Ahir and my number matric is 15 DUB 19F1014. For our topic for presentation is sanitary system that provide in first topic. So for the next question is identify types of sanitary fittings for the building that we have in our drawing. So before we start, let me introduce first about types of sanitary appliance. Fitting used for cleansing and disposing of waste product. Most sanitary appliance fall into two groups, which is waste appliance and soil appliance. What is the examples of waste appliance? The first one is bidets, wash machines, sinks, shower, bathtub, drinking fountains, and so on. For the soil appliance, which is water closet and urinal. All sanitary appliances are made of non-absorbent, non-corroding, smooth, and easily clean material and usually made from ceramic ware, vitreous enamel cast iron, vitreous enamel pressed steel, stainless steel or plastic, which is thermosetting and thermoplastic. So what I have been identified in this drawing, which is types of sanitary fittings. The first type is waste appliance that have in this drawing is wash machines, sinks, showers, bathtubs, and kind of bathtub is actually whirlpool bath, and that's all. For shower, we have 12 items on the toilet. For sink, we have 2. For basins, we have 16, and whirlpool bath, we have 2. For soil appliance, we have water closet about 14, and all the items that I have been list is actually provide in all floor, in all types of floor, which is the first floor until the second floor. So for the soil appliance, we have water closet. Let me explain what is water closet is. This is the most common type of plumbing appliance and also known as a toilet. Water closets are usually subdivided according to where they are mounted, floor mount and wall mount, and how they are flush, tank type, and flush valve type. The most widely used pattern in the wash down, in which the contents of the pan are removed by gravity water flush. The outlet may be obtained left or right hand and also P or S as shown. It may be flushed from a high or low level flushing system. That high level system provides a more effective flush compared to low level system. So for the waste appliance example that have been provided in this building is wash machines. Let me explain what is wash machine. Many wash machines design are available, ranging from sturgeon basin to small hand basin. They can be obtained to fit into a corner of the room and may be supported on bracket, a pedestal, or by a built-in cobble. The second examples of waste appliance that have been in this building, which is sink. Sinks of all types are in wide used in a multitude of different applications, such as surgeon scrub sinks, service sinks, laboratories sinks, bar sinks, kitchen sinks are just a few of the more common ones used in plumbing system. Sinks can be made of porcelain, stainless steel, plastic, fiberglass, or any other non-porous material. Sinks can be wall mount, floor mount, set into countertop, or freestanding with legs. The actually item that have been shown in the drawing is freestanding with legs. The third item that have been provided in the building for waste appliance is shower. A shower is a device for washing, typically consisting of an enclosed area and an overhead nozzle. To use a shower, a human stands in the enclosed area while the nozzle sprays water down on the body. Showers are primarily used for hygiene and washing purposes and are often installed in bathrooms. And the last item that have been provided in the building, which is bathtub for waste appliance. But the types of bathtub is actually whirlpool tubs. But before that, I will explain what is bathtubs. A sanitary appliance in which the human body can be immersed and cleansed. Bathtubs are available in enamel cast iron, pressed steel, or in various types of plastic and acrylics. Bathtub should be fixed as low as possible to assist getting in and out. The standard length of a rectangular bathtub is 1.7 meter. The water supply may be pillar taps or by a special fittings incorporating a divert and a shower. For domestic installation, the taps and supply pipes are 19 mm internal diameter, but for institutions, these are sometimes enlarged to 25 mm to increase the speed of filling. I will explain about types of whirlpool tubs. The two primary types of whirlpool tubs are air jet tubs and water jet tubs. They function in different ways. Both kinds of tubes serve the same purpose of massaging the user for a relaxing experience. Whirlpool bathtub size. Whirlpool bathtubs are available in a wide range of sizes. The tubs themselves are generally sold in rectangular, oval, or triangular fits a corner shapes, but there's also variation in the interior shape of the tub. This allows each buyer to choose the tub that most comfortable for their body. So that's all for the second question, which is identify types of sanitary fittings on the building. And I have been found for two types, which is soil appliance and the waste appliance. And what I have been introduced and talks for, that is actually the types of soil and also waste appliance. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Noatika Beki Darwis, matrix number 15DUB 19F1039. The materials from which appliances are manufactured depends upon the type of fitment and the use of building into which it is to be installed. In general terms, the material must be non-corroding, non-absorbent, and easily cleaned. Materials used for the sanitary fitting have 7 materials, which is ceramic, glazed earthenware, glazed fireclay, glazed stoneware, vitreous china, acrylic plastic or perspex, and glass reinforced polyester. First, ceramic is popular material for such appliances as WC, wash basin, urinals, sinks, and shower trays. The term ceramic means a substance made by firing clay. The strength and degree of impermeability of the materials depends upon the composition of the clay mixture and temperature at which they are fired. Second, glazed earthenware. This produces appliances of good color, lend itself well to formation of complicated shapes and relatively cheap. It is used mainly for sinks and WC pans. Next, glazed fireclay. This produces a torque appliance which is resistant to knock and hardware. Fireclay appliances such as urinals, sinks, and WC pans are often used in schools and factories. Besides, glazed stoneware this produces a torque appliance which is resistant to knock and hardware, but unlike earthenware and fireclay, the material is non-absorbent even when it is unglazed. It is mainly used for channels, sinks, and urinal stalls. Vitreous china is this lend itself to fine detail and good finish, but it is not as strong as fireclay and is therefore unsuitable for building where hardware is expected, such as school and factory. It is, however, used extensively in houses and hotels. The material does not absorb water even when the glaze is broken. Can be used to manufacture almost all types of appliances in various colors. Next, acrylic plastic or perspex. This is produced in many colors. It is light in weight and relatively cheap. It takes a hard gloss finish and has an excellent appearance. Hot water, however, tends to soften the material and parts made from it must be supported with metal cradles. Lastly, glass-reinforced polyester. This material is more expensive than acrylate plastic, but it is much stronger. A good gel coat finish is essential to protect the reinforcing fiber, and various colors may be obtained.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Azati Kamila binti Mamazmi. My matrix number is 15DUB19F1017. Okay, I'll talk about material used for the disposal pipe system. The material used for the disposal pipe system that I found in our layout, which is UPVC waste pipe and UPVC sewage and waste pipe. What is UPVC? UPVC is unplasticized polyvinyl chloride. So, UPVC pipe are made of plastic, and in the manufacturing of a UPVC pipe and UPVC pipe fittings, additional plasticizing pipes are not used, so it assumes a hard texture than a PVC pipe, just like cast iron pipes. The next is they are used as ventilation pipes for disposing the corrosive gases from the interiors of bathrooms. And the use of these pipes is also being made in manufacturing sewer systems. The benefits. Okay, the benefits of the UPVC pipes are very cost effective and very easy to install than the other pipes in the world. Also, they are very lightweight and require very slow shipping and labor charge. And they are extremely resistant to chemicals, abrasion, and corrosion. They are able to bear pressure and hence don't break down even under the harshest conditions. Next, you can very easily bury them under the concrete slabs as they do not wreck with the cement. And lastly, UPVC pipes offer multiple advantages to the user. On one hand, they are cost effective. On the other hand, they are highly durable. You can very easily fit them with the UPVC pipe fittings.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Ain binti Muhammad Safwan. Matrix number 15DUB19F1035. I would like to determine the method of piping joining. From what I have observed, this layout drawing have used the socket fusion to joining the pipes. Socket fusion creates a bond between the outer surface of a thermoplastic pipe and the inner surface of a fitting made of the same material. In addition, it is commonly used for fusing smaller size like PPR tubing pipe. In our layout drawing, it can be used at PPRPN16 and butylene PB18 pipe. This table shows the types of the socket fusion. Usually, we had equal elbow, 45-degree elbow, and multi. So, this is the general steps of performing socket. Pipe ends are properly cut square and cleaned carefully to make sure they are not out of round. Then, heat the parts with the heater adapter. When the time has elapsed, both are removed by the heater adapter and joining together by hand. Finally, the pipe is inserted into the fitting and allowed to cool per the time outlined in the fusion standard. Why the socket fusion is better than the others? It is because it have used custom shape and size heating plates. Pipes joins pipe and fittings together. It requires less pressure, and it is commonly used for smaller size of pipe like 4 inches or less. And lastly, it is more portable and it requires less machinery. Thank you. Now I end my presentation and I will hand over to the next presenter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum to Puan Surani binti Jamirin and to all my beloved classmates. My name is Nurani binti Bakri, matrix number 15UB19F1006. Today in this presentation, we are going to discuss type of pipe system. What is pipe system? A pipe system is a network of pipe, fitting, and valves intended to perform a specific job to carry or transfer fluids from one equipment to another. The plumbing network supplying water at your home is a common example of a piping system. There are a few types of sanitary systems that use in a house or building for collecting or conveying the wastewater. This sanitary system will collect all wastewater straight to the public sewer or domestic septic tank. As below it is the type of pipe system used in building. That is single stack system. The single stack system is a very economical system in sanitary system. It is because it can be reducing the cost of soil and waste system. This type also does not need a grand venom pipe. In this system, only one vertical soil pipe is used. The waste from all the sanitary and soil effluents are discharged in the same pipe. The type of WC, sink basin are directly connected to the single stack pipe. In this system, there is no separate pipe for ventilation purpose. The effectiveness of the system depends entirely on the depth of water cell. Single stack system basically a one pipe system minus ventilation pipe work. I gained enormous popularity in recent time and saved so much of material, and about its utility is already well established. Type of pipe system based on drawing. Modified single stack system is a closed grouping of the sanitary effluents. It is meant that the installation of the branch waste and soil pipe will not be needed by the individual branch of ventilating pipes. Based on drawing, all piping works to be concealed in breakboard. Service pipe leading to the tank and kitchen sink type HDPE PN 12.5. HDPE type pipes and UPVC mount on wall at clip every 915 mm 3 feet. The single stack system offers a compact layout. It avoids quality and discharge free from insert, loosen, and obstruction. All stainless steel pipe should be grade 304 complying with ASTM A312. There is no necessity of any special water seal taps in the appliance other than WC when they are connected through flow taps through the stack. The stack and WC branch should be 100 mm thick. Otherwise, branch from flow tap should be 75 mm thick. The slope of the branch should not be flatter than 1:50. And the last one, this is isometry view sanitary layout from our group. Okay, you can refer this drawing. So that's all. Thank you for watching.